Hey everyone, welcome to Gaming Explained. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to buy coins on Gardenscapes. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, click on the coins icon in the top section of your screen. On this page, you can see certain amount of coins with certain amount of money. Now all you have to do is select how many coins you wanna buy. Let's say I wanna buy 1500 coins, then I'll have to tap on 1500 option. Then a pop-up menu will appear where you'll have to click on Add Credit or Debit Card option. Then all you have to do is enter your card details and enter the amount of money you'll have to pay. After that, you'll have to check out and your account will be added with 1500 coins. And that is how you can buy coins on Gardenscapes. Thanks for watching Gaming Explained. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment down with any questions or feedback. And if you're new, subscribe and stay updated for the future videos.